Counting is underway. The latest results on today's election and the big story of the day, voter turnout. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the latest as political party operatives watch the results.
We'll join our reporters on the ground at both headquarters.
The big race in St. Catherine, who will be the next mayor of Portmore?
And in business news, Jamaican companies are to prepare for the future.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
Okay, so I am doing it. Did you vote today? Why or why not?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.